Good day, Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Market Strategist, May 2nd, RJO Futures. My comments on the stock index futures and word of the day, the big yum yum. The big yum yum, what does that mean? That it tastes real good? Unemployment? What a bullish number. Or was it really? I don't know for sure. We got almost 300,000 creation of jobs in 1 month alone. Unemployment rate broke down by 3 or 4 tenths in 1 month alone, but exiting the work world was probably the lowest in 30 years. So you might say people are giving up. Maybe not. Maybe they're retiring. Maybe it's a positive. But headline news was a big yum yum. Now, let's take a look at some of the economics, and we've had plenty. We're in earnings season, and that was better than not. Some of the highlights of this week was the FOMC, and they think that this quarter coming or developing is going to be better than last quarter. So that was, again, a yum yum. Tastes very good. Now, what are some of the other ones? Housing was a little shaky. Chicago PMI manufacturing was a little good. Today's factory orders was a little bad. Personal income, personal spending was a little better. Very modest. And how do we know that? Looking back at a back gauge, we look at GDP advanced numbers was, in my opinion, disappointing. Yes, it beat the street. Yes, it beat the estimates. But 1.1, 1.3, very disappointing to me. We need to be at 2.5 or 3.4 to get any kind of real traction. Those are your economics. Will China start to spur, or will it contract some more? Do we have problems in Russia? Is Europe? How is it affecting the dollar and purchasing power? Now, those are questions you're going to have to answer. Now, on a technical point of view, very quickly, we'll look at the June S&P future contract. We're around 1880. We're up about 3 or 4. The numbers we saw from non-farm payroll should have put us up 10, 20, in my opinion. So is good news bad news? Meaning, will the taper start to accelerate, if you will? Now, remember, last month alone, we did $45 billion. To put that in context, and remember, that's a drawdown of $85 billion per month, extra buying bonds from the feds. Now, $45 billion, a lot of people say, well, it's been cut in half. Giving you a perspective, I could buy the Clippers for $1 billion. $45 billion in 1 month alone, I could own the NBA. Keep that in mind for buying bonds all month long. Now, have said that, on a technical point of view, if on a technical point of view, in my opinion, if we can close above 1888, that would be bullish, and that would power us for my target of 1915 approximately. Now, on the way down, a little damage, 1847. A close under 1847 would be a negative for the charts, in my opinion. And, of course, a close under the next support level, 1831, would be, in my opinion, a short-term trend change. Good luck and good trading. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.